YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy Vaughn. You already know we back with another video. If you could do me a favor, please like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn on the bell to be notified when we upload, because we upload often. And in this video, we reacted to "This is why you will never order food delivery again." Y'all know we don't really like to waste no time over here, man. So let's get into the video.
Atlanta, Georgia. A Slim Shady lookalike crashes somebody's Xfinity security camera, then runs off.
Not the Slim Shady, though. Hold on, let me bring this over so I can see it. So he just randomly just...
A DoorDash driver seems to have some sort of jock itch.
Oh, man, scratching this shit with the can.
We can't answer the door right now, but the camera is recording. So please just leave us a message. Thanks for coming by.
You never know what some of these people are
Hey,
doing with your
man, what,
food.
bro? Hey, the fact that the camera let you know, hey, bro, we recorded you, goofy. And bro just still just said, fuck it. I'm about to scratch my nuts. What's up, man? What's up? Big head. Hey, bro, what is really dude on, man?
I hope he gets his jock itch figured out.
Man, what's up with the voiceover too, though? Like,
Atlanta, Georgia.
a little bit.
Apparently, this guy needed to charge his phone, so he uses this homeowner's porch to get comfortable and take a minute to charge his phone. But this homeowner isn't having it.
Hey, what would y'all do though? Like, bro, just randomly on your porch, just charging his phone, like.
Hello? Hello, what you doing?
He puts his hood on.
He said, I gotta block her
What
out.
you doing?
He said, I gotta block her out. Hold on, man. Y'all can't even see, bro. Man. I don't like how they doing this joint. Dang, man. It's messing up the clip. But yeah, what y'all doing though, man? Man, just really randomly just sitting on.
A porch pirate is
What's
seen
the name? On your porch.
blowtorching a Ring doorbell.
Oh.
Los Angeles, California. A thief is seen climbing a fence to steal a Tesla Charger. The thief runs to the getaway car. The Tesla driver pulls up and doesn't even realize that his Charger was just stolen from his property.
Damn. Damn.
Sometimes you just
Bro
a few
literally
seconds
just
too
had
late.
pulled up too. Hey, what's the whole well, I can't say they was like hating or nothing like that, but I'm about to say, man, like people really don't rock with Teslas. I be seeing like people keying Teslas and all type of stuff, bro. But I mean, shit, bro just on the charge. He probably like, shit, I can sell this bitch or something.
Phoenix, Arizona.
Yeah, he got some damn shit in there. You don't want to break his house. He gonna lay it down. He gonna like, sure, he gonna come back. He gonna quarter come back, kill your ass.
What's up, man?
Like that. Yeah.
A man is heard on Ring doorbell plotting to rob a house. The homeowner calls the police, but it's not against the law to walk in front of someone's house and plot and say that you're about to break into their house. It's not a crime. The cops file a report, but there's nothing you can do about prowlers creeping in front of your house. You actually have to break inside for it to be a crime.
Ain't that some
Chicago,
shit?
Illinois. An elderly female porch pirate steals a package and then says thank you.
I hate that I gotta keep moving this joint, man. Bear with me, y'all. I ain't about to edit or nothing, man. I'm just
Thank you.
sorry they gotta do it. Just stole their package.
Oakland, California. It gets real wild sometimes. A woman comes home and doesn't even realize a shootout just took place right in front of her home.
Damn. It's going to show like more and more, man, why these Ring cameras, man, you need them. If you got a house, man, I feel like you might as well go ahead and make that investment, man. Literally just got to the, man, I ain't even know it was a whole shootout though.
Are you guys okay? Where are you guys going? I see you guys. Are you guys okay? Where are you guys going? Where the fuck are you going? Are you serious? Are you fucking kidding me? ¿Dónde?
Hey, what is going on?
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Hide your Ring camera. Turn your Ring cam into a hidden camera with Cam Masker. Compatible with Ring Indoor Cam, Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery, and Ring Stick-Up Cam Plug-in. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam. Cam Masker hides your Ring camera without interfering with its various functions.
Hey, man. That was really the end of the video. Man, my fault, y'all, man. It was a lot of like moving the screen, man. Like, kind of was throwing me off. So y'all probably couldn't even see certain parts of the video, man. So that's on me. But we still got to keep that video rolling. You feel me? But for real, the moral of the story, man, of this video, man, get y'all a goddamn Ring camera, man. I feel like I said, if y'all got a house, make that small investment. You feel me? I feel like it can save, you know what I'm saying, you, or, you know, save a situation, whatever the case is. You know what I'm saying? It can, it's just a lot of good in it. It could just save you from, you know, anything happening type stuff. Or if something was to happen, it can help, you know what I'm saying, prove your case in the court type. So, more of the story, invest in the Ring. It's clearly the end of the video, man. Please like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn on the bell to be notified when we upload, because we upload often. I would say what was a highlight of the video, man, but like I said, man, just invest in the Ring cam, man. That's all. So I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.